Welcome to Read and Tech Genopedia. Today we will do pool, snooker, and billiards quiz. First question. What is the collective name given to billiards, snooker and pool? Cue sport, base sport, both. The correct answer is both. Second question. How many balls are there on the table at the start of a billiards game? 3, 5, 6. The correct answer is 3. Third question. There are 2 white balls in billiards. What are they called? Start balls, cue balls, cover balls. The correct answer is cue balls. Fourth question. Which ball carries the maximum points in billiards? Black, yellow, pink. The correct answer is black. Fifth question. How many pockets are there in a billiards table? 8, 4, 6. The correct answer is 6. Sixth question. In which country did snooker originate? India, France, England. The correct answer is India. Seventh question. What is the length of a cue in a snooker? 2 meter, 1.5 meter, 3 meter. The correct answer is 1.5 meter. Eighth question. How many balls are there on the table at the beginning of the game of the snooker? 15, 6, 22. The correct answer is 22. Ninth question. Tennis has sets, cricket has innings. What is their equivalent in snooker? Sets, frame, parts. The correct answer is frame. 10th question. What is the stick called with which billiards or snooker is played? Cue, paddle, bails. The correct answer is cue. 11th question. Which one is incorrect in snooker? Yellow ball 2 points, blue ball 5 points, green ball 4 points. The correct answer is green ball 4 points. 12th question. Equipment used for gathering the red balls into the formation in snooker is called chalk, triangle rack, spider. The correct answer is triangle rack. Thank you for watching this video. If you likes the video, please subscribe, like, share, comments.